Hello everyone. Today we want to look at how to load georeferenced point clouds using Qbitec for Revit. This is easier than using Revit's built-in tools. It is done in 3 simple steps. First, I load the point cloud using the center-to-center method. Then I modify the point cloud to fit my project. I can move and rotate it. Finally, I retrieve the survey coordinate system from the point cloud. I switch to Revit. Here I have a blank project. I view the 3 coordinate systems. The origin of the internal coordinate system, the project base point, and the survey point are turned on. Then I see the 3 coordinate systems here. They are initially in the same position and the axes are aligned in the same way. This is the project coordinate system. This is the survey coordinate system, which will later represent the large coordinates. The one in the middle is the internal coordinate system, which I can never change. However, it is the basis for the internal storage of the Revit objects. This means that I should only insert point clouds and construct in Revit within a 10-mile radius of this internal coordinate system. Next, I load the point cloud. This cloud has large coordinates. I insert it using the center-to-center method so I can see it clearly. It lands in the middle here. Next, I align the point cloud to fit my project. To do this, I draw in some walls. I use my project's orthographic system. Then I create the elevation reference. I need to unlock the point cloud. Then I can move it to fit my Revit objects. Again, in top view, the point cloud is oriented to the true north. I need to rotate it a bit to match my CAD model. To do this, I move the point cloud and then rotate it. I select the pivot point and look for a line that runs along a wall. I have now defined my coordinate system quite well. I can see the result in the 3D view. Typically, I will place my project coordinate system to match my project. I want to place the survey symbol where the real geographic origin of my point cloud is. To do this, I use the Qbitec command set survey coordinate system. I click on it. Then I click on the point cloud and the triangular survey symbol has disappeared. I double-click on zoom boundaries to see the entire project, including the survey symbol. I notice that my project is at the top. The point cloud is so small that you cannot see it. Here is the origin of the survey coordinate system. The axis cross is slightly rotated to match the orientation of the point cloud. Now I turn off the paperclip. This means that I can now move the symbol without changing the origin of the survey coordinate system. I move the symbol close to my project. I double-click again. Zoom boundaries. The survey symbol has landed here. I can place it anywhere I want. I usually choose a boundary stone or other point where the surveyor knows the coordinates. I place it here. This way I have aligned the point cloud with my Revit project and can still read the geo-coordinates correctly. This is how easy it can be to work with georeferenced point clouds in Revit. Thank you very much.